Hello everyone and welcome to break 1061 for the 2012 Panini 6 series. Thanks everyone for getting the break and all of you watching. The current date and time according to eBay is Wednesday, August 21st, 2019. It's 10:21 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:21 p.m. Central Time, and 7:21 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break we have Icon 2 spots. I want it 3, Stripe 5, Land with 1, Viva with 3, Kelly 2, Arva 1, Kristen 1, ADCS 3, Ben 1, Rami 1, B Mike 1, BSBR 1, Shaw 2, and Mr. with 3 spots. So we're going to randomize everyone 7 times to determine your team or teams for the break. We have Icon on top, Mr. on the bottom, once, twice. Random.org is not having it tonight. Apologize for the technical difficulty with random.org. Usually I've seen it get stuck before, but geez, oh man. 3 times. 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has I want it on top. Rami on the bottom. Right. I want it has the Diamondbacks and Braves, B Mike Orioles, Kristen Red Sox, Icon Cubs, Viva White Sox, Mr. Reds, Kelly Indians, BSBR Rockies, Kelly Tigers, Shaw with the Astros, Stry Royals, Shaw Angels, I want it Dodgers, Mr. Marlins, Stry Brewers, ADCS Twins, Land with the Mets, Arva Yankees, Stry Athletics, ADCS Phillies, Icon Pirates, Ben Padres, Stry Giants, Viva Mariners, Mr. Cardinals, Stry Rays, ADCS Rangers, Viva Blue Jays, and last but not least, Jesse with the Nationals. So here we are, all sealed up. Good luck, everybody. Hope so. Start with our base, and get to our autos. First up, Mr. Yu Darvish for the Texas Rangers. Upside down. So we'll go through our box here and then go back through and highlight our winners. Joe Mauer, Minnesota Twins. And then we have Dustin Pedroia for the Boston Red Sox. All right, and our first auto will be a rated rookie game ball of Kelvin Herrera for the Kansas City Royals. So autograph game ball, 194 out of 299. Another game ball, rated rookie game ball, Matt Moore for the Tampa Bay Rays. This will be number 211 out of 299. And last but not least, we have a diamond cut of Don Larson. And it just says New York, but based on those jerseys, I'm sure we can tell who that is, but we'll look it up to confirm. But Don Larson, pitcher for New York, diamond cuts. This is number 16 out of 25. Very nice. Cool. All right. We'll go back through and see who's getting what. Go from left to right. All right. Just a few base out of here. So the U Darvish for Texas. Texas Rangers going to ADCS 54. Congrats on your U Darvish. Again, every single card will ship. That goes for all the breaks. We have Joe Mauer for the Minnesota Twins. Minnesota Twins going to ADCS 54. Congrats. And our last base will go to the Boston Red Sox with Pedroia. Let's see who has the Boston Red Sox. Going to Kristen. Congrats, Kristen. All right, let's check out these autos. All right, Kelvin Herrera, rated rookie game ball, and that is Kansas City out of 299. So Kansas City Royals is going to Stry 880-238. Congrats. Another rated rookie game ball. This one for Matt Moore for the Tampa Bay Rays. Rated rookie game ball at $2.99. Tampa Bay is going to Stry 880-238. Congrats. Then last but not least, got this sweet little diamond cut of Don Larson out of 25. That's up. There we go. 16 out of 25. Just says New York. Could be the Mets. Could be the Yankees. It's going to be the Yankees, but we'll look it up. Hopefully the computer will let us. Don Larson. Okay. 90 years old. We'll go with he retired. What is going on? Okay. So NYY That is the New York Yankees. So the New York Yankees is going to Arva 140. Congrats on the Don Larson Diamond Cut Auto out of 25 for the New York Yankees. And that was break 1061. I want to thank everyone for getting in the break. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. Turn on that bell for all notifications. Check us out on social media, P2J Sports Cards, and our eBay store at P2J Sports Cards. Hope to see you all very soon, and please stick around for that bonus break spot. Thanks.